Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two Thermacell mosquito repellent. So on the left, this one takes a fuel cartridge and it's actually going to ignite a little flame in there. It's going to heat up the pad and that's what's going to release the repellent. Over here, this is rechargeable. So it comes with this plug-in. You're going to charge it with this micro USB-C cable. You're going to plug it in right here so it does need charged. And then we're going to put this is the liquid right here. You're going to take this cap off. You're going to set it in here. And what happens is there's a little heating element right here. That's going to heat that up and that's going to put the mosquito repellent in the air. So this one's very simple to operate. Once it's charged up, you simply just press the button. The light comes on to let you know that it's working. Over here, we've got to put the fuel cell in. So you're simply going to screw it in from the bottom till it stops. These little pads are for 12 hours. Now, when they turn white, that means they need replaced. There's where you're going to slide it in, right there. Now we got to turn this from off to start. And you got to immediately watch for this orange flame inside here. That's very important. So go to on, but spring-loaded is start, which is an igniter. So you're going to ignite it while you're watching for this flame inside here. So again, immediately go. Okay, there's the orange. You want to make sure and see that orange. That means the flame has started. Now I know that that's going to heat that heating pad up and release the agent. It takes about 15 minutes, and this one also takes about 15 minutes for it to create the zone around you. Now this one does come with a 12-hour repellent cartridge, and so is this one. So with this one, you will start to see a little bit of scent coming out the top. I mean, it kind of looks like smoke, but it's really not smoke. Over here, you never really see that. Both of them are odorless. And again, this one, you just got to make sure that it is nice and charged up before you're ready to go. Now, I think they both work really well. I don't think one works better over the other one. They just have different features and how they're used. I hope my video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.